All right. Wes is on fire right now. He got the cluster out. And Kent's Monaco. Oh, these are fun to replace. I've done that a few times. All right. So now we got to get down there to the evaporator, which is way down the other side.
Yeah.
Other side. All right, man, you've been busy.
It's my first time pulling a dash.
No way.
Yeah.
Well, trial by fire.
Yeah. Didn't matter.
Wow, look at the wiring in here. It's all really nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I started pulling it out. I was like, wow, that's clean.
I'm impressed.
It's not all kerfunkled.
Yeah. So we were having trouble with the temp gauge, and it's got a new sender, and the wiring's all good. So we were assuming the gauge itself is bad, so Kent went and located an NOS gauge. Beautiful. So Wes has the cluster out, so we're going to pull these screws around the perimeter, lift everything out, and then undo our temp gauge, which is right there. Alright, our cluster is apart, and boy is it clean. Clean, clean, clean. Love it. Kent had a new clock for this. I could put it in right now. Damn.
Foam's even good too.
It's amazing how clean this car actually is. I think Kent did really well on this car the more we dig into it. I know I already shot this, but I can't get over how nice it is. I'm going to go over to the other side and get in there. Dang. We're digging in. Alright, here is our old evaporator.
It does look a little messed up though.
Down and in. It's a little scuzzy. Oh, there's the fan resistor. There's the power resistor. Look how nice these are. Yeah, I think we can get it. We do need to get the I gotta clear the system. I gotta get a dryer for it too. Strip down to the heater core. Tomorrow we'll go in and undo the other side and get the evaporator. Alright, strip down the heater core. Why is she plugged away today, man? That was probably not fun. Mr. Upside Down under the dash. That was both of us.
Don't recommend it.
Yeah, not fun. But the old heater core. And tomorrow we'll go get the other side out.